It's another edition of BTV Climate Reporters. The common knowledge that first, second, third rain are falling in Kaduna, and a lot of dead fishes are found around the river bank in Kaduna. We have come all out to sensitize the resident of Kaduna to beware of parking these dead fishes around the rivers in Kaduna, because some of them were killed as a result of human activity, chemicals from the industry, garbages from different houses that were discarded wrongly in the bin towards the gutter and has been channeled towards the river. We have come out to enjoin all and sundry to shun the awọọf fish. People call it awọọf because they see it as free fishes around the river bank in Kaduna. The free fishes around the river bank in Kaduna as a result of the new rain, first, second, third rain that are falling in Kaduna, it is not a blessing. The fishes found by the river bank as a result of the rain is not a blessing. These are fishes that were killed by chemicals or some garbages that have been channeled through the gutter and as a result has gotten into the river. Thank you and air teachers.